Hi guys, welcome to Soft Asia Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can add content card like this in your blog by using WP Bakery. On this content card, I have used image, title, description and a button. Add a content card like this. First you need to log in to the dashboard. Now once you log in to your site, go to plugins, click on add new. Go to upload plugin and select file. You have to download all in one Visual Composer add-ins. Link in description. Click on install now. After installation, click on activate plugin. Now go back to dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Now go to post and click on add new. Add post title and publish the post. After publishing, click on WP Bakery page builder button. And then click on backend editor. Click on add element button and go to all in one add-ins. Here you have to select content card widget, select image. I'm selecting this one. Click on set image, go to content card, add title and description. Now go to button, add text and then URL link. I'm adding this link. Paste here and save changes. Now review the changes. Scroll down. Here you can see a content card with image, title, description and a button. When you click on this button, it will take you to given link. Now go back to editor. Make these columns 2, 3. Duplicate it 2 times. Drag it to the next column and just change the content of image. You have also changed this content and title. Save changes. I'm removing this image and adding this one. Just set image, save changes and preview it. Now here you can see the content card added in our blog. That's how you can add content card in your blog or page using WP Bakery plugin and all-in-one add-ins for WP Bakery. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.